Today we will design a logo with letter S and in triangle shape. So first we will select logo blank canvas in Canva. Go to element and click on lines and shapes, select one triangle. Adjust in the middle and change the color. Now I will duplicate this triangle and reduce the size and put in center. Here you can see small triangle also in the middle and center. Now I will pick to square and adjust it as the same size of this part. Change the color, then you can see easily. Rotate it as the same of triangle. So our size is ready. Duplicate this size. Now we will take one part and place it here. After that, we will reduce the size of small triangle until here. Bring it in the middle. So our gape is ready. Just carefully watch the placement. This yellow part I adjust her and change the color. Adjust this part here and change the color also. Now this part again. Rotate and change the color. So this part is ready. Select the all parts and make group. Here our shape is ready, so now we will make a also. Ungroup again, and duplicate this bar, so I will use same size for full design. Duplicate again. Now here is the same space in all parts. Now this part rotate and adjust the triangle shape. Duplicate and then adjust on the right side. Duplicate again this long part. Now change the color of all bar. Now, this bar will adjust at the bottom to make sharp edges. Here is the perfect gape in all parts. Change the color and crop the extra part. Change the color of S. Here is done. Hope you like this tutorial.